Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today I'll be demonstrating how I created this painting using the balloon dip technique. So stay to the very end for close-ups of the wet and the dry results. And in the description box below this video, you will find the list of the colors that I've used, as well as very detailed descriptions of the technique. I call it the keys to success. So don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment before you go, and enjoy.
Okay, so here's a quick close-up of my elegant blue flower, or purple flowers. This one in the left-hand side here is probably my favorite. I love the depth. And I love the way the sky blue and the purple interacted here. And the gold is gorgeous in there too. I'm glad I went with the deeper gold color rather than like a champagne gold. I really like the boldness. It's almost a coppery gold. Really beautiful. Those petals turned out gorgeous. And I love those stripes coming down, like the stem. I like the little splashes that came out of that too. A couple of pretty little cells here. Trying not to have too much shadow, but still stay in focus. Here we go. Let's come over to the center one here. So nice. That one has probably the best stem of the three, I think. And again, those lines and the cells are really beautiful. I love how let's see if I can get my finger in the right spot here. Yeah, I love how the purple's coming up through the white in that one spot. Again, that sky blue and the deep purple are gorgeous there. Really beautiful. So cool. And then this one over on the far right. Look at the details in that line, right in the stem on that. Beautiful. Really, really happy with that. Love it. I think that has a fantastic shape to it. I love the organic edges that that straw, using a straw does. That one little spot of blue, how it kind of curls down. I like it. Really, really nice. So, focus in, there we go. So, I haven't done many balloon smashes for a while. I used to do them all the time, and they can be kind of cartoonish, or they can be kind of elegant, and I think I achieved that with these purple, blue, and gold flowers. I think they're quite elegant. But regardless, it's a lot of fun, and I love experimenting like this. So thank you very much for joining me today. Hope you learned something. Hope it inspired you to try something on your own.